Hello, and thanks for joining us for another Bible bit, Confessions and Convictions. Well, something to think about. Solomon, remember, he had those 700 wives, 329 concubines, so thousands of women, and yet only one son is mentioned, perhaps two. Legend has it that only 4 children are named out of the Bible from Solomon. 2 daughters, 1 son, perhaps another son. Yet, think about the flip side. The son mentioned, Rehoboam, was a fool. Still, out of all the kings, he definitely had the most kids. Another trending bad example from the house of David to Solomon to Rehoboam. He had 88 kids. Most known of any king of Israel. Leave your thoughts, leave your comments. Should be interesting on this one. And I look forward to seeing you next time.